it is an ugly afternoon. We've got rain falling across Indiana. In some cases, we've had some storms out there. A lot of folks down in the southern part of Indiana posting some video of hail, Sean.
Yeah.
So we're getting some reports of hail. How long is this going to go on?
Yeah, UGLY. We don't have an alibi, do we, man? I tell you, it is kind of nasty. We're going to be in the showers for the better part of today, and still some pretty heavy downpours across the southeastern corner of the state. We'll show you 45 here in Indy, 50 in Seymour. Still some very heavy pockets of rain showing up just south of Muncie over toward Richmond. Greensburg at 43, still 47 with some downpours in Bloomington. We're probably done with the thunder, but we did have quite a bit of that. And Scott mentioned some small hail in some of these stronger cells. That now races into Ohio. We will focus on what's down the road over in Illinois. We've got some heavy downpours right now from Brookville, Connorsville, take you over into Greensburg, North Vernon, and even Newcastle, still seeing some moderate rain and not that far away from downtown Indianapolis, traveling 70 out toward Greenfield, still some heavy rain. Now this is what we'll focus on this afternoon. It's not going to amount to much, but this is a cold front, and we're going to get a quick burst of snow as the colder air starts to catch up with whatever moisture is left behind. You can certainly see what's behind the front, and it's much colder air, comparatively speaking. We're at 45 in Indy. It's 33 behind the front in Springfield. So just enough cold air, just enough moisture that we will see this little burst of snowfall this late afternoon, evening. Will not amount to much at all. We'll focus on those falling temperatures tonight, however, as we drop into the middle 20s. Anything that's left on the roads, especially those elevated surfaces and overpasses, probably going to have a few slick spots come tomorrow morning. Right now in the city, 45, a southwest wind at 5, very gray, very damp, and we await the colder air that will work in here. We'll stay in the middle 40s for the better part of the afternoon until that front comes through between about 4 and 5 o'clock. Notice the wind shift there, and notice the breeze picking up too. We'll have gusts probably in the 25 to 30 range the way it looks. Much colder tonight. There will be pockets of flurries and snow showers. Not everyone will see the snowflakes. And as we get you ready for tomorrow morning, kind of a much colder start as we're in the 20s with some slick spots around. But what you will notice about tomorrow is that it's going to be much brighter and overall a pretty pleasant day. Maybe not as warm as you might like, but we're going to make a run at 40 degrees by late afternoon. A light wind in the 5 to 10 zone. So I think overall we'll call it a pleasant finish to the day on Wednesday. Then we quickly shift gears and start looking toward Thursday. Wednesday night, in fact, probably going to have the clouds increase pretty rapidly here. And then as we go through Thursday morning, temperatures close to freezing, if not a degree or two below. We could have some slick roadways around Thursday morning. Temperatures get just a few degrees warmer than freezing during the day. So we'll focus on Thursday morning for some slick roads across central Indiana. In terms of accumulations with this, I think it would probably be a slushy inch or two in some locations in the heavier pockets, but notice the temperatures get above freezing in the afternoon. This time of year, the snow typically does not last long, and that will be the case as we go into Friday. We're back to quiet conditions. We're at 40. Another little system coming in to start out the weekend. Best day this weekend is going to be Sunday. We're calling for 45 on Saturday, sunny 55 on Sunday, 60s on Monday, and then pushing 70 this time next week.